Silicone. Silicon.
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 Silicone. Welcome to Pure Octane Garage.
We bring you detailed information.
And other automotive goodness. I'm Ryan.
I'm Brandon.
And
this is silicone plate protector.
Wow. Yes.
Or something like that. Oh, first, we have more important things. I just got weird there.
I know. I paused.
We'd like you guys to consider liking, subscribing, ringing a notification bell on the YouTube page here, and sharing with your friends and checking out our merch. We have that stuff.
Thank you guys. We really do appreciate it.
We appreciate everything you guys do for us. And if you're new here, welcome to that too. We said welcome, but welcome if you're new as well.
That's right.
All right.
What do we got today?
We got a
Brandon?
license plate. We got a screwdriver.
What
screws. Okay.
What do you got here?
I guess I need to explain. This is something I picked up on Amazon. I'm tired.
I don't know if you can see
I'm
that.
always worried about my license plates
Okay.
scratching the back of the paint of the car, you know.
Okay.
Depending on how many posts there are to mount your plate. Some have 2, some have 4.
Yeah.
Depending on how it is. I don't like it. Rubs. Sometimes wind gets back there and it buffets around or whatever you want to say.
Or if you've got a thumping audio system, you hear that license plate rattling on some of those vehicles.
If you're about that bass, you know.
Yeah,
You know
that can't be good for the paint, right?
No. Ooh, imagine the abrasion.
Yeah.
Okay, so
what is this?
We're gonna check
exactly?
this out. I don't know if it's good or sucks. Or
Hey, I'm learning about this right along with you guys.
I found that I was watching some other YouTube videos and I saw a video where they put one of these on a charger. So I'm like, hey, that's kind of maybe a good idea. I'm curious. So
cool. Yeah.
They're pretty inexpensive. It's an Amazon find for under $10.
So what does the packaging say before we show them the product?
Let's talk about it here. Okay. This is where we get to make fun of it.
It's a 2-pack.
Yeah. Silicone.
Silicon. How do you guys say it?
License plate frame. What do we say? Legal in all states.
Well, that's good.
That's a good
Well,
thing.
yeah, I know here where we are.
I guess these states. United States?
You can't have a license plate frame that covers the name of the state.
That's right. It has to stay above the Arizona, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. This I don't understand.
Okay.
65-degree silicones, whatever you say, with good hand feeling. I'm just gonna leave that.
What?
I'm just gonna leave that alone.
Good hand feeling? Are you reading that right?
I swear that's what it says.
Okay. No more sniffing detail spray for you. Actually, it does say
one
that.
side opening with 2 ends. Design for easy installation. Okay.
Okay.
Durable silicon body.
Okay.
That's what they say about me. A durable silicon body.
TMI, right? No.
It's rust proof.
What?
No
It's
way.
rust proof.
No way. And it's anti-scratch. That's a good thing.
Yeah.
All right. So we took one out. So here you go.
Well, what does that say?
Link chain. Okay. Obviously, it's Amazon.
Here.
From another country.
I don't know if you can see that.
But it actually does feel like 65 degrees. No.
It's got some weight to it. It's pretty. The main body is thick.
Yeah.
And then it's got like this frame around it where your plate will pop in there.
Does it have good hand feeling?
It does. It actually does.
It actually does.
It does feel good on my hands.
All right.
But it's got seriously though, it's got a texture.
So,
did you see this texture?
And
it does feel good on my hands.
I think if I remember right reading the information, that's to help with drainage behind the plate. And then I think there's drains in the bottom.
There are drain holes in the bottom.
Yeah. So that's good. We don't want to trap water.
It's not going to hold water in there. It also, it even has drain holes on the top.
That's good.
So I guess if you put it on,
you can let water in.
So I guess either way,
or
you could put it. One side has an opening to slide the plate into. I don't want to.
It's like a
I don't know
mouth.
if you can see that. All right. Well.
And then they give you some caps. Looks like they're probably little plastic caps to put over.
Don't smell it.
So you might want to leave this out a few days if you purchase something like this. They give you a couple.
Oh, wow.
Well, 2 here and 4 here bolts. I'm just going to use the ones I know fit. But, and then, there's caps for there. You can put I don't know, if you want to put caps over the.
Oh, they are
the
caps.
heads.
Interesting.
Looks like little washers.
And some washers, yeah.
So we're not going to put those on though. Oh, let's see if there's any more information.
Oh,
this could be
there's an installation manual.
This could be good.
Yeah, this might be entertaining.
Warning, the use of this product is regulated by laws which vary from state to state.
It is true.
Your state may change the laws concerning this product. Please check your local regulations to be sure you're not violating any applicable laws. The manufacturer, distributor, and retailer assume no responsibility for that. Okay.
Yeah, they're not liable.
You can install the silicone frame by hand or tool. I'm not a tool, you tool? But please, mind the licensed sharp edges and to avoid getting hurt.
Right. Isn't it kind of sad that they literally had to
That's sad.
put a warning on there not to hurt yourself with your license plate?
Guess it's happened, right?
Hey, it's the world we live in.
Please contact us if you have any questions. We will try our best to help out. If you do get hurt, dial 911. No, it doesn't say that.
I think we should call them.
Where's your phone number? It's not
Hey,
on
wait
here.
a minute. There's no phone number.
Take out the silicone license plate holder from the PP bag.
It's a pee-pee bag?
That's what it says.
All right.
Polypropylene. Push your license plate frame from the opening side.
Okay.
Push it.
Push your license plate.
What? Push your license plate frame from the opening side.
Okay. Make sure you push it from the
Put the
opening side.
washers on the screws, then fix and tighten it to your car.
Okay.
Cover the theft prevention screws.
Oh, the little covers are to kind of...
Yeah, that's not really theft prevention.
No, they just pop them off.
Yeah.
But
Well,
okay. I mean, hey,
Whatever.
it's the thought, right?
Yeah. So let's slide this
All
in
right.
there and see.
Let's see how slide it in from the opening.
Yeah, that'd be fun to try
from
to do it on the
frame
other side.
opening.
Okay, that's pretty easy.
And we'll show you guys like, hey, careful, it's sharp. If you cut yourself,
Actually, though, it does put a nice covers up the white border. Actually, that covers up the stupid
no,
barcode down there.
In all
Actually works.
seriousness, it's a nice black frame,
Yeah, check that out.
and it doesn't cover up any legal.
Yeah, it's
like,
thin enough.
Like again, here in Arizona, we're not allowed to cover
Didn't we
up
have
the
a
name.
problem with frames dropping down?
Yeah,
right
because
here?
a lot of them will have like
Design logos or whatever.
what your favorite sports team or
Yeah.
whatever.
All right, that was fun to read.
It was.
Should we go put this on the vehicle and see what it
Let's
looks
see
like?
how it looks on the vehicle. We'll come on with us. Come on,
All right, let's go.
follow me over there. All right, whenever you're ready, sir.
All right. Okay, straightforward here. Let's put this thing on the vehicle and see how it holds up, I guess. So you just kind of line it up to your pre-drilled holes there, right?
Yeah,
Be careful with screwdrivers around your vehicle.
Yeah. We don't recommend putting them in your mouth like that, though.
Yeah, don't do that, no.
I'm sure your dentist would not like that.
And it probably got some chemicals on there. Who knows, right? I like to pre-thread those screws a little bit. There we
Good
go.
thing you've got a custom plate coming.
Yeah, you like that?
So this is temporary.
This is basically my temp tag. Oops, I missed. See? Hit the plate.
Oh gosh, you could have stabbed your finger.
Don't hit the blue, right? Don't hit the blue.
Do not hit your paint, guys. Take your time.
All right.
Brandon's a
There we go.
little nervous because he's on.
I'm on camera and I've got this new
All right, so
there you go.
as you can see, guys, it looks really good,
Actually, it gives it
Nice and simple.
Look. I like it.
and it's
I should put another 2 in down here.
yeah. He does have the other two,
But just for quick demonstration
but
purposes.
it does. You know, it's got that nice soft silicone
Yeah.
material, so it won't hurt your paint.
Never mind that eye looking at you.
Yeah, you're on
Weird.
camera, guys. And it actually there's a gap if you use the washers, so it'll keep it off your body.
Yep.
This vehicle already has those built in, so
Yeah, that's what those black washers in the little bag are for if you don't have those built-ins.
all right.
That's it. Let's go talk about it real quick. All right, we're back over here.
Yeah, pretty straightforward, guys.
Not a lot to say. You guys saw how it works, what it does. Link chain. I'm sure there's probably 9 million, if I remember right. Looking, there's probably like 100 different versions of this.
Probably the exact same thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right.
So,
but it is a cool idea
I like
to
it.
protect your vehicle. Your plate won't rattle.
basically, the only thing I could see is how well does it hold up over time. You
Yeah,
know what I mean?
like-
that's the one question that's out there, I guess.
Yeah, will it dry up and crack away within
Yeah.
a year, or I guess we'll
see.
Wait and see.
Maybe we'll
yeah.
maybe we'll repost in a year and see how it is.
Yeah.
But from the get-go, it's doing what it needs to do. Keeping it off the body a little bit even here.
Yep.
It's protected.
And
There you go.
all right, so pretty straightforward, guys. If you like, what we're doing here, please give us a thumbs up.
Yeah, we'd appreciate that.
Yeah, and
Consider subscribing too.
yeah,
think we already asked
we
them that,
appreciate
huh?
that. We ask a lot of our viewers.
But we appreciate you guys.
we do, seriously, we do.
In all honesty, we do.
Yeah. So until the next video,
Yeah.
Later.
Next time.
bye.
Bye, guys.
Silicone or silicone?
Drive around the Silicone. Valley.
Silicon.
Silicon Valley.
Silicon.
No E.